Keep a lot of my wood storage right here, and well, the thing is, it can only hold so much length, so it's only like 12 inches of wood.
Sorry, I'm so immature.
Yeah, thank you, by the way. Appreciate that, because I have to keep my long wood. That just came off real bad.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's
man.
cut that.
Hey guys, what's going on? Just getting out of bed, coming down to my wood shop. Want to say thank you to AJ Lusby, giving me a hand doing some camera work today. Appreciate you, buddy. Before we even get started, we're going to talk about how I'm actually going to be showcasing my van at Tiny Fest Northwest in Eugene, Oregon. Everything about Tiny Fest Northwest will be in the description below. Please check that out. Let's get started with what I got going on. I built a wood shop in the back of my van. Why? Why would I do that? Let me tell you. A lot of van lifers like to have their hobbies with them. A lot of van lifers are surfers, or they're mountain climbers, mountain bikers, or anything along those lines. Well, you know what? I like to be a woodworker. I like to do carpentry, and I wanted to do that and put it all in my space. So I designed all of this with the space that I had. Give or take 4 to 5 feet across. It's about, it's under 3 feet high, and it's only 2 feet deep. That's the only space I had to work with. Now, of course, I cheated by using the 2 doors as pegboards, and I hung a lot of my tools there. I also put some drawers here on the side that hold some nails, screws, brad nails, whatever I need that can fit in here, my die for any epoxy that I use. My custom-made toolbox is on 24-inch full extension heavy duty draw guides. They hold 500 pounds. Myself and AJ could get on this if we wanted to. My chop saw is mounted to this, and I can obviously use it anytime I want. And then the back actually just holds tools in the back here. It's pretty cool, it's pretty nice, very convenient. And then I built 2 drawers that hold paint, and then I have a secret drawer that has other little gadgets in there for me as well. I knew I had too many tools, or not enough tools the way you look at it. So I needed to make a space for more tools. So I actually made this rack. You'll see these racks here that a lot of people use anyways in their shops as well. I plan on getting more tools, so that's why I have some extra spaces for that. I wanted to make sure that I was able to have a tabletop to do the woodworking that I wanted to do. So I wanted to make sure I had something that could hold me. So again, I have 24-inch draw guides, heavy duty, and this acts as my tabletop that I can do any wall art pieces or cutting boards or anything of that nature on here. And that's what I do here. But I also wanted a little more storage. So this comes off, and now I have storage in the back. Now, why didn't I use this for storage? Why, what are you thinking? Well, when I use wall art, I actually will sometimes cut through it, and I want to pour epoxy in there. So I wanted to have something where I could literally just cut right through or drill through, and I have plenty of room so I don't mess up the table that it's on. So you're probably wondering, what about your wood storage, Jared? You got a lot of, you have all your tools, you get everything laid out. Where are you gonna store your wood? You already got like your house, you don't have enough room for wood. But I do. I made this little door here, and voila, there is my wood storage. I got some cut up pieces, anything that's long, stick right back there. It'll slide right back there for me. So as you can see, I got plenty of room. What the f are you laughing at? Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching my first video that I launched back in January. It's been an amazing experience for me so far. So far that video has 1.5 million views and counting every single day. And honestly, I couldn't have done what I did without everybody that has watched, subscribed, liked, and commented. You guys have been amazing. More than anything, it's you guys. You guys have been there through thick and thin. You've been there through my bad videos and my good ones. And I couldn't have done it without you and everybody around the world with people in the UK watching, or Australia, or like Germany. I've gotten people from Russia commenting, and to know that you guys are watching in other countries that I haven't even been to means a lot to me. Thank you again, and keep watching as I will keep on entertaining, and I'll see you guys soon.